Hi friends, it's me Koki Kumar. In this video I am going to tell that how to finish the tutorial tasks in AstraKin server. First of all, I will be giving the invite link of AstraKin server in the video description. Please make sure you are subscribed to it and join the AstraKin server. First of all, go to the Astrak tutorial server, and in this there will be 5 numbers of question. For completing each number of question, you will be rewarded 2000 kin, and the total number of kin you are going to get after completing all the 5 questions was 10,000 kin. Okay, in this actually I have completed all this tutorial, so I cannot show that how much kin I am receiving that. If you are doing that, if you are not completed the tutorial task, please do this and you will be rewarded 2000 kin for each task. Okay, first of all, go to the get to the question number 1, which is 0. The question main task is country role. For this you are going to, they are given the instruction though, you just place read that careful and answer it properly. Click on the channel hashtag country and click on the, this is the emoji of our country flag. Okay, just get to the country role, and I have clicked on my country flag of India. Basically I am from India, so I just clicked on that. Here it tells you have selected the country role flag at India. If example, if you are giving from Pakistan, you just click on the Pakistan, but please make sure that you are click on any one flag. Some people may touch all those flags, so please make sure that you are click on your flag, your country flag alone. Then type here exclamatory country and your country name. Example, they are given, if they are, you are from Brazil, exclamatory country and Brazil, type Brazil. I am just making sure that I am from India, exclamatory country and India. Okay, if I am just posting this, I will be rewarded 2000 kin, you will be rewarded 2000 kin. Actually I have done this, so I will not get any kins for this. Then the second number, the first question balance, second number question. In this, click on the channel hashtag balance, then click on the K emoji to check your balance, then type your exclamatory balance and your balance in numbers. If you are having a balance of 12,345 kin, you are going to type exclamatory balance 12,345. Okay, in this I am going to click on the channel hashtag balance. Okay, the next step was clicking the kin emoji, and I am having a balance of 571552. If the message goes rapidly, you can check here 571252. Okay, now I am getting back to my kin server. And hashtag tutorial, I'm just gonna type my balance. Five lakhs 71,700 or any, and I'm just posting. If you have done this, you will be rewarded 2000 kin. And for the second question, which is the third one, in this it is a valid question. You are going to type your wallet address here. Click on the channel hashtag wallet and click the K symbol. You are going to get your wallet address. Then type your wallet address with exclamatory wallet in front of it, and then type your wallet address. I am just getting to my wallet, exclamatory, and clicking the K emoji. It is going to show my wallet address. I am just copying it and getting to the tutorial section and typing my wallet address, exclamatory wallet and your wallet address. In this it is going to show this under. Please make sure to edit this. Wallet space and your wallet address and type it here. For this you will be going to rewarded 2000 kin. We have completed the country, balance and wallet, then your password section. In this they are told that click on the channel hashtag backup and click on the K emoji. You will be receiving a QR code. After that click on the hashtag restore and click on the K symbol to drop your QR code and answer the bot direct message. Then type your exclamatory password. I am going to tell that hashtag backup and click the K emoji. Okay. Your backup QR code has generated. Please check your DM. I don't know. I have got any QR code. You will be receiving that. I think the bots are off. I don't know what has happened. I don't know. The bot. Where is that? Astrobot 2. Okay, Astrobot 3. I think the old Astrobot has that. Okay, you will be getting your QR code. Then get to the kin server. Then they are told to get to our hashtag restore. Please click here and the K emoji. Drop your QR code in DM and set your new password. Okay, for this you are going to the same bot and it will tell you to place a new password. After setting your new password, just come again to your tutorial. For this you are going to type exclamatory password alone. No need to type your password, just type exclamatory password and you will be having your 2000 kin for this task. Then after for the KRE task you have to going to the, for this you are going to get into, it is a deleted channel. For this I am telling you that go to exclamatory KRE 1 month or 3 month or 6 month. Okay, for this what is the difference between the 1, 3 and 6? In the KRE 1 month, if you are paying, paying a 5000 kin and the reward will be 10,000. If you are paying 500 kin, you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded. I am saying that 1000 kin, and for the 3 month subscription it will be 3 times. The rewards will be 3 times, and the 6 month the reward will be 5 times. This is the one, and the another one is you can't withdraw it for 6 months. If you are having 3 months subscription, you cannot withdraw for 3 months, and for the 1 month it is the same, the 1 month period similarly. Okay, for after it's your wish. If you are going to, I have already done the KRE 6 month pack. I am just pressing it. Subscription date is subscription end date 3rd 22. It's going to be next year March 22. Okay, I have already subscribed. If you are subscribed, just click here. You will be getting a payment option. For that you are going to click your tick symbol. You are going to get your KRE subscription. Then here type just exclamatory KRE. Okay, for this you will be rewarded 2000 kin. Total you have completed 5 questions and you are going to rewarded 10,000 kin. For the wallet creation, you will be getting at the initial for the 10,000 kin, and for doing the tutorial task you will be rewarded 10,000 kin. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and join the Astrokin Discord KRE.